Right, welcome to the day one there. We're going to do one more practice on related to CKA and logged into the terminal. I hope you can see my screen. And this is one of the best practice I follow all the time. On the left side is a question, the top is an documentation, and here I'm going to do my terminal window. So I'm logging into the environment now. All right, so there are 4 tasks has been given out here. The first one is create deployment, expose the HTTP port under the namespace web, and service to expose web front deployment ports externally. So we're going to do that. I think this is a more on creating a node port based on what I'm seeing here, exposing to node port level. Then we are doing an scaling up to 5 ports. We're going to use the Kubernetes scale command, and we're going to create an ingress for this service. All right. So let's start with our first one. And so right. So I just checking, making sure that we have a namespace in there. Web one. So the first phase is I expose all the ports to 80. So let's go and see what all we have it. Let's get deploy SVC ports. What's in namespace web? Okay, what do we have? Nothing. We have only ports, 3 ports, and 1 deployment. So let's do a edit deploy slash web front end minus n web. Okay. The first one is a port ext. Let's go and find the container. Okay. Okay. I think it should be here. Let me look for oh, no, it's a port something. I don't remember that syntax, but okay, this one I need. So ports container port 80. All right, so let's save and see what happens. Perfect, it was. So we are done. We should see verify. It should work with the first command. First task is done. Now create a service to expose deployment. So just expose. So we'll go back to CKA command. Use expose one. I'll use k expose expose. I need to do a deploy web front end. Okay, front end. So I need a name, which is a service name. I'm going to do is web front -svc. Okay, oops, namespace, I missed it. So I need to call out minus namespace minus in web. Okay, so now we need to create a node port, right? There should be something called a type or something. It should be, because it should be under node. All the TCP APIs are going to be default. Expose. Selector target port. Okay. Type is a node port. Okay. Type is equal to node port equals 80. Target port, not target port. YAML file, just make sure that I give me everything right. Okay, so I'll call this YAML file as a SVC. SVC. Okay, so let's go to YAML file. Okay, type we got a port. Okay, the big thing is missing is node port is missing. So 0, 80. Bit port we got it. Perfect. Node port is good. So just let's do that. All right. So let's see if it be done with our second one. Let's verify. Perfect. We are good. Now let's go back and scale ourselves. Third one is scale. Not auto scale. We should be scale. Okay. Scale. Scale. Deploy slash web front end minus n web replicas equals. There are already 3, so we're gonna do 5. 10. Okay, perfect. We are done with this one also. Third task also done. Now fourth task is ingress. So we're gonna create an ingress. So let's get on this part. There should be somewhere ingress here. There you go. Okay. So what it says ingress, create ingress in the web namespaces. So slash. Okay. So pretty much if you say this part, I think we might be relying on mentioned start. So okay, this might fall here. Okay. Okay, create ingress. I think this name. And web service map. Okay, in web. Okay, we got ingress. Now let's call it a role equals star. Okay, service what is web front end SVC. SVC what HTTPS. Okay, HTTP what is. So we'll make the YAML file. No, sorry, what I see. Not web front end link. Okay, let's do it. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, it worked. Let's verify. Perfect. It looks we are done with all 4 tasks. We're good to go. And please subscribe to Day One Dev, and I'm gonna get you more practice for CKA. All right. See you later. Bye.